May Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today I'm going to show a very basic recipe of chathak. Kashmiri chathak or collard greens is a staple food in every Kashmiri household. It's made almost every day and we don't get bored of it. So let's get started. For making this Kashmiri star food, we need a very basic ingredients. For that I have taken around a kilo of Kashmiri haq, or we call it khaner haq. Here you can see. We have cleaned it properly and then washed it under running water. Then the other ingredients include turmeric powder 1.5 teaspoon. Then fried shallots or prawn. Here you can see it will be around 2 tablespoons. Then oil around 3 tablespoons. This is mustard oil. And then I have taken 1.5 teaspoon of fennel seed powder. And then I have taken dried red chilies. You can take green chilies also for this. We have to take out the seeds from them. And then I have taken salt. Salt is around 2 teaspoons. We can adjust according to our taste. And I have taken garlic cloves, around 10 garlic cloves that I have chopped finely. Now moving to cooking. In a cooker, I have heated up the oil, around 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it's heated properly, then I'll be adding fried shallots or prawn. Then I'm adding turmeric powder, fennel seed powder, and I'll give them a mix. And then I'll be adding water to this. This will be around 1.5 glass of water. Here you can see. Then I'll be adding salt and I'll be adding dried red chilies. I have removed the seeds and then I'll cut them into two. Here you can see, like this. You can add green chilies also if you have. They are also fine with this recipe. And I'm adding garlic cloves here. Adding all the ingredients, we'll wait for it to boil. So we will let it boil for around 2 minutes on high flame. Then we'll be adding haq to it. So we are not frying haq, that's why it's called chathak. We'll be adding this to this water and other ingredients. Now here you can see I have added all the haq to the cooker. It feels like it's overcrowded, but don't worry, it won't. So here you can see, and I'll make sure that all the haq leaves or collard green leaves are covered properly in this gravy. Here you can see. And we will cook it up to 6 whistles. First 3 whistles on high flame and then 3 whistles on low flame. Here you can see. But I'll make sure that all the haq is coated properly in this gravy. And at this stage you can check the salt also and adjust according to your taste. Here you can see. And I had added around 1.5 glass of water. Now I will close the lid and cook it on high flame for first 3 whistles and then on low flame for 3 whistles. So here after around 6 whistles, again after opening the lid, I have kept it on high flame for around 3 to 5 minutes. Here you can see. Haq is slightly crunchy, it doesn't have to be too tender. But it should be tender but not too tender, not too soft. Here you can see the haq is ready, it's ready to be served. Haq is served with rice in Kashmiri household and it's cooked almost every day. And almost everyone has it, has a kitchen garden which has a variety of haq in it. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.